Are you trying to foster independent play? If you are, this has been my best purchase so far. My son is obsessed with this train set. It comes with 110 pieces. It's the Tiny Land train set. There's a couple of different little areas like the school, you've got the fire station, the police station, the hospital, tons of little, just like a firefighter here, a school bus, which he's obsessed with. And then of course you've got the trains, and the wooden pieces are adjustable. So this was actually, I had to take out a few pieces from the original, I put them in here actually, extra pieces. So it actually called this, it tells you how to do this design exactly in the instructions, but it was actually too big for my activity table. So I ended up taking a few pieces out and it still fits perfectly fine. Also, he has some other trains from a different company and they actually still fit with this because they're magnetic and they fit this train track. So he can continue to extend his train system, and it has been a game changer for me. I actually get to drink my coffee in the morning in peace. So if you are sifting through all the train sets for a birthday, just for fun, for Christmas, for the holidays, whatever, I highly recommend this train set.